Hi everyone, welcome back to your instructor YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how to enable a disable video. I mean that if you are having a video or you can't watch or play it. In this video I'll show you the easy way to make this video enable and use and watch it. So let's start and make a disable video enable. First of all, I have a video which is completely destroyed and disabled. So now I want to play this video. I click on this video and then click play. When I click on play, so it said that the Windows Media Player cannot access the file. It means that your video is disabled or completely destroyed and we cannot play it. So how to fix this problem? If I try any software to open this video, so I can open this video. For example, I want to play this in VLC Media Player. I am clicking on VLC Media Player. Let's see what happens here. So it's also said that we cannot open it. It means that this video is destroyed. So let's make it enable. So come here to your video, click on this video and come here to the bottom and click on properties. After clicking properties, come here to this part and click on security, and here choose your computer name. My computer name is this, and here you will choose your computer name and then click on edit. After that, once again choose your computer name. I am choosing my computer name and this is my computer name. Now come here to this part. Now click on every box and uncheck it. First click on this, then click on the second one. I mean that uncheck mark all the boxes. Once you finish that, just come here to this part and click on apply. After apply, click on OK and then click OK. Now let's play the video, that our video is enable or not. I am clicking on my video and then click play. So now my video
Finally.
is completely
How long do I have to wait
enable
for a stupid widget to come
and I
over,
can
huh?
watch
I'm
and
sorry,
play
we
it
have a lot of
completely.
customers, so I'm doing
So
my
this
best.
was our
Well,
today's video. I hope you understand and like it. If you really like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you next.